in-wall hidden diffuser. I find you in production, and I want to talk to you about the diffuser we will be installing today, including the in-wall diffuser Filumuro SIR11S. This is our in-wall acoustic speaker with the best size-performance ratio. A quasi-speaker with a diameter of 16 cm that supports 120 watts RMS. The circular crossover mounted in this way ensures that this diffuser, when installed, is as flat as possible, with metal push connectors like the rest of the range and many other interesting details such as the magnet. Today, the SIR11S is also assembled, which is the less powerful version compared to the Filumuro SIR11S, and this speaker remains one of the best-selling models for multi-room installation. Here is the new viewer by Garvan Acoustic. Just kidding. It is the in-wall speaker, SIR11S. It has 2 speakers in a single unit. This product is usually used in very small spaces, such as the bathroom. Lastly, the heaviest, but not the least important, WA125, is a 10-inch subwoofer. We will soon present many new features. If you don't want to miss out, subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Thank you. See you soon.